Hello everyone, welcome to our class. In this video, we will solve the exercise 3.3, all the sums. Now first question, find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials and verify the relationship between the zeros and coefficients. First, we have to find the zeros and then we have to verify the relation between zeros and coefficients. Now first one solution. So what is given equation? Polynomial x square minus 2x minus 8. So compare with standard formula ax square plus bx plus c. So what is a value? A is equals to 1. So b is equals to minus 2. C is equals to minus 8. Now we have to factorize this polynomial. We have to factorize this x square minus 2x minus 8. So we can write this as x square minus 2x minus 8 is equals to, what is the product? Product of x square coefficient and constant. While x square coefficient is a, constant is 8. So 1 into minus 8 becomes minus 8. So 1 into minus 8 is equals to 1 into minus 8 is equals to minus 8. We have write the factors of 8. We have write the factors of 8. So we can write this as minus 1 into 8 or 1 into minus 8 and minus 4 into 2 or 2 into minus 4 into minus 2. 4 into minus 2. We can write this as minus 1 into 8 and minus 4 into 2 and 4 into minus 2. We have to select two factors. Let's select one pair such a way that sum of two factors is minus 2. Sum of two factors is minus 2. Suppose if I select minus 1 and 8, minus 1 plus 8 is equals to plus 7. So don't select first one. Second one, minus 4 plus 2. Minus 4 plus 2 is equals to minus 2. So sum is minus 2. B value is minus 2. So we have to select this pair. If I select this is 4 into minus 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to, it becomes plus 2 only. But we have minus 2. So we can write minus 2x as minus 4x plus 2x. మనం మిడిల్ టర్మ్ వచ్చేటట్టు సెలెక్ట్ చేయాలి. చూడండి, మిడిల్ టర్మ్ మైనస్ 2x కదా, మైనస్ 2 వచ్చేటట్టు సెలెక్ట్ చేయాలి. మైనస్ 4 ప్లస్ 2 అంటే మైనస్ 2 వస్తుంది, అందుకే సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుందాం. అంటే ఎలా రాయాలి దీన్ని? మైనస్ 2x ని x స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 4x ప్లస్ 2x మైనస్ 8. x స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 4x ప్లస్ 2x మైనస్ 8. సో ఫస్ట్ టూ టర్మ్స్ నుండి టేక్ అవుట్ x కామన్ చేయండి. రిమైనింగ్ ఏముంటుంది? x మైనస్ 4 ఉంటుంది. ప్లస్ లాస్ట్ టూ టర్మ్స్ నుండి ప్లస్ 2 కామన్ రాయండి. 2 కామన్ తీస్తే ఇంకా రిమైనింగ్ x ఉంటుంది. 8 అంటే 4 2 రాస్తాం కదా, 2 కామన్ తీస్తే రిమైనింగ్ 4 ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ రిమైనింగ్ ఏంటి? 4. సో అగైన్ వాట్ ఇస్ కామన్? x minus 4 కామన్. రిమైనింగ్ ఏంటి? x minus 4 కామన్ రాదు, ఇక్కడ x minus 4 కామన్ ఉంది. రిమైనింగ్ ఏమొస్తుంది? x plus 2. x plus 2 మనం జీరో స్ట్రైక్ చేయాలి కదా, అంటే x minus 4 equals 0. This implies x is equals to 4. x is equals to 4 and x plus 2 is equals 0. This implies x is equals to minus 2. అంటే రెండు జీరోస్ ఉన్నాయి మనకి, ఒకటి 4 ఇంకోటి minus 2. ఒకటి ఆల్ఫా అనుకోండి, ఇంకోటి బీటా అనుకోండి. అంటే ఆల్ఫా is equals to 4, beta is equals to minus 2. Alpha is equals to 4, beta is equals to minus 2. Now find the sum of zeros. Sum of zeros equals to alpha plus beta. Sum of sum is equals to alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta. What is alpha value? 4. 4 plus of minus 2. Beta అంటే minus 2. అంటే 4 minus 2 అంటే ఎంత వస్తుంది మనకి? 4 minus 2 is equal plus into minus 2. 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. Let's find minus b by a. Minus b by a. Minus b by a find it minus of. What is b value? Minus 2. By a value 1. Minus into minus plus 2. So minus b by value also equals to 2. Alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. Let's find the product. Product equals to alpha beta. Alpha beta. What is alpha value? 4. Beta value minus 2. And plus into minus 4 2s are 8. So my alpha beta is equals to minus 8. Let's find c by a. C by a is equals to, what is c? Minus 8. By a value 1. Minus 8 by 1 is equals to minus 8. Alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. Alpha beta is equals to c by a. Hence verified the relation between zeros and coefficients. Therefore alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. రెండు వాల్యూస్ ఈక్వల్ ఉన్నాయి. ఆల్ఫా ప్లస్ బీటా వాల్యూ 2, మైనస్ బి బై వాల్యూ 2. and alpha beta value minus 8, c by a value minus 8. Both are equal. Alpha beta is equals to c by a. Therefore, verify the relation. Next, second one. What is given? 4s square minus 4s plus 1. Compare with standard formula ax square plus bx plus c. So what is a value? A is equals to 4. What is b value? B is equals to minus 4. C is equals to 1. Now we have factorize this polynomial 4x square minus 4s plus 1. So what is the product? Product means a into c, coefficient of x square and constant. 4 into 1. 4 into 1 is equals to 4. We have tried the factors of 4. Factors of 4 into 1 is 1 4s or 4 1s. Next 2 2s are 4. 1 plus 4 addition అనుకోండి మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది 1 plus 4 is 5 వస్తుంది బట్ we have minus 4 అంటే 2 plus 2 యాడ్ చేస్తే 4 వస్తుంది 2 plus 2 యాడ్ చేస్తే 4 వస్తుంది కానీ మనకి -4 ఉంది కదా -2 యాడ్ చేయాలి -2 అంటే -4 అవుతుంది సో దీన్ని ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు -2 into -2 మైనస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ ప్లస్ వస్తుంది 2 2s are 4 ప్రోడక్ట్ 4 వస్తుంది రెండింటిని యాడ్ చేస్తే మనకి ఏం కావాలి మిడిల్ టర్మ్ రావాలి -4 రావాలి -2 అంటే -4 వస్తుంది సో we can write this as 4s square minus 4 plus 1 is equals to 4s square minus 4s కదా -4s ఎలా రాయొచ్చు మనం -2s plus 1 ఈ ఫస్ట్ టూ టర్మ్స్ నుండి 2s కామన్ రాయండి ఇక 4 2 2s రాసాం కదా 2s 2 కామన్ రాసి ఇంకొక 2 ఉంటుంది 2s కామన్ రాస్తున్నా ఇంకొక 2 ఉంటుంది ఇంకొక s ఉంటుంది 2s మైనస్ ఇక టోటల్ కామన్ చేస్తే ఇంకేం ఉండదు 1 ఉంటుంది 1 ఇక టోటల్ నుండి -1 కామన్ రాయండి -1 మైనస్ కామన్ చేస్తే మైనస్ ప్లస్ అవుతుంది బ్రాకెట్ లో ప్లస్ మైనస్ అవుతుంది ఇక -2s ఉంది కదా +2s +1 ఉంది కదా -1 అవుతుంది సో వాట్ ఇస్ అగైన్ కామన్ 2s - 1 is common 2s - 1 is common remaining 2s - 1 so 2s - 1 is equals 0 this implies 2s is equals to 1 s is equals to 1/2 అంటే ఇది కూడా 2s - 1 కదా అది కూడా 1/2 వస్తుంది సో 2s - 1 is equals 0 this implies s is equals to 1/2 so s equal two roots equal roots 1/2 1/2 let alpha is equals to 1/2 beta is equals to 1/2 let alpha is equals to same roots rendu 1/2 comma beta is equals to 1/2 alpha is equals to 1/2 and beta is equals to 1/2 next find alpha plus beta sum of the roots and alpha plus beta is equals to 1/2 plus 1/2 1/2 plus 1/2 ఎంత వస్తుంది సో 2/2 అంటే LCM 2 కదా 2 రాష్ట్రం 1 plus 1 2 వస్తుంది 2 1s are 2 1s are sum is 1 alpha plus beta is equals to 1 next we find minus b by a is equals to minus what is b value -4 by a value 4 plus 4 so minus into minus 4 plus 4 4/4 4 1s are 4 1s are answer is 1 alpha plus beta equals to 1 minus b by a also equals to 1 therefore both are equal let's find alpha beta product equals to alpha into beta what is alpha beta alpha అంటే 1/2 beta అంటే 1/2 so alpha into 1/2 into 1/2 so 1 1s are 1 2 2s are 4 product is 1/4 let's find minus c by a plus c by a sorry c by a what is c c is equals to 1 a is equals to 4 1/4 therefore alpha beta is equals to 1/4 c by a is equals to 1/4 therefore where alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a రెండు వాల్యూస్ ఏం వచ్చాయండి alpha plus beta value minus b by value equals to 1 and alpha beta is equals to c by a alpha beta is equals to c by a therefore verify the relation now solution of third one solution what is given 6x square minus 3 minus 7x so దీని ఎలా రాయొచ్చు మనం ఫస్ట్ 6x square minus 7x minus 3 రాయండి అంటే x టర్మ్ కాన్స్టెంట్ So compare the standard formula. What is A? A is equals to 6. What is B? B is equals to -7. What is C? C is equals to -3. Then మనం factorize చేయాలి first. So 6x square. So -7x minus 3 is equals to. Now take the product. Product of constant and its coefficient. And A into C. A into C. 6 3s are. So 6 3s are 18. 6 into -3 ఉంది కదా, -18 అవుతుంది. So let's take the factors of 18. So 6 into 3. 6 into -3. 6 minus 3 అంటే 3 వస్తుంది. మనకి మిడిల్ టర్మ్ ఏం కావాలి, 7 కావాలి. అండ్ 9 2s are మైనస్ ఉంది, మైనస్ తీసుకోండి డెఫినెట్ గా, ఎందుకంటే ప్లస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ మన టోటల్ ప్రోడక్ట్ -18 రావాలి. 9 - 2 అంటే +7 వస్తుంది. మనకి -7 ఉంది కదా, అది దీనికి మైనస్ తీసుకోండి, దీనికి ప్లస్ తీసుకోండి. -2 -9 into 2 -9 + 2 అంటే -7 వస్తుంది. సో ఇది సెలెక్ట్ చేయాలి. 9 - 2 అంటే +7 వస్తుంది. మనకి ఏముంది ఇక్కడ -7 ఉంది. సో -9 + 2 తీసుకోవాలి. సో దీన్ని ఎలా రాస్తాం మనం? 6x square -9x + 2x - 3. సో టోటల్ నుండి కామన్ రాయండి. ఇక్కడ నుండి 3 కామన్ అంటే 3x కామన్ తీసుకోండి. 6 అంటే 3 2s రాస్తాం కదా, ఇంకొక 2 ఉంటుంది అక్కడ, ఇంకొక 2 ఉంటుంది, ఇంకో x ఉంటుంది. -9 అంటే 3 3s 9 రాస్తాం. ఒక 3 కామన్ తీసామంటే ఇంకో 3 డిఫరెంట్ ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది మనకి. టోటల్ కామన్ ఏం లేదు. సో 1 కామన్ రాయండి, 2x - 3. సో వాట్ ఇస్ కామన్ అగైన్? 2x - 3 కామన్ రెండిట్లో, ఇది కామన్. రిమైనింగ్ ఏంటి? 3x + 1. 3x + 1 అంటే 2x - 3 is equals 0. This implies 2x is equals to 3. So this implies x is equals to 3/2. ఒక alpha value equals to 3/2. Next take another value. So 3x + 1 is equals to 0. This implies 3x is equals to -1. Implies x is equals to -1/3. So x is equals to alpha is equals 3/2, beta is equals to -1/3. Therefore alpha is equals to 3/2, beta is equals to -1/3. -1/3. Now take the sum of the roots. Sum is equals to alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta. What is alpha value? 3/2 plus beta value -1/3. -1/3. So here denominator is 2, denominator 3. 2, 3 LCM is 6. LCM 6 వస్తుంది. అంటే ఈ 3 ని ఈ టోటల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ 3 తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి, దీన్ని 2 తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. 3 3s ఏం వస్తుంది మనకి? 9 వస్తుంది. 9 ప్లస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ మైనస్ 2 1s 2/6. LCM 6 వస్తుంది. డినోమినేటర్ లో 6 కావాలంటే దీన్ని 3 తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. 3 3s 9 వస్తుంది. దీనికి 3 అంటే 3 2s 6 అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ రాస్తున్నా. ఇక్కడ 6 కావాలంటే 2 తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. 2 1s 2, 2 3s 6 డినోమినేటర్. So 9 - 2 is equals to 7. 7/6. So sum is equals to. Now find minus b by a. Minus b by a is equals to minus of, what is b value? -7 by a value 6. So minus into minus plus 7/6. B minus b by a also equals to 7/6. Now take the product. Product equals to alpha into beta. Alpha into beta. What is alpha? 3/2 into -1/3. So plus into minus minus. So 3 1s 3/6. 3/6. Alpha beta is equals to. Now take the c by a. C by a. What is c value? -3. By a value 6. So c by a is equals to alpha beta. Therefore alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. Alpha plus beta value 7/6. Minus b by a value 7/6. Therefore alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a, comma alpha beta value -3/6, c by a value -3/6. Both are equal. Alpha beta is equals to c by a. Therefore verify the relation. Verify the relation. Verify the relation. Now next question, fourth one. Solution of fourth one. So what is given? 4u square plus 8u. 4u square plus 8u. compare with standard formula ax square plus bx plus c. A is equals to 4, a is equals to 4, so b is equals to 8, c is equals to, we don't have constant లేదు చూడండి మనకి కాన్స్టెంట్ లేదు, కాన్స్టెంట్ is 0, కాన్స్టెంట్ is 0. సో మనకి కాన్స్టెంట్ ఏమో డైరెక్ట్ దీన్ని ఫ్యాక్టరైజ్ చేయొచ్చు మనం. సో 4u square plus 8u, ఈ టూ టర్మ్స్ లో కామన్ ఉంది చూడండి, డైరెక్ట్ గా టూ టర్మ్స్ లో టోటల్ కామన్ ఉంది, u కామన్ ఉంది అండ్ 4 కామన్ ఉంది. టేక్ అవుట్ 4u కామన్, 4u కామన్ రాయండి, రిమైనింగ్ ఇక్కడ u ఉంటుంది, ప్లస్ 8 ని 4 తో రాయొచ్చు కదా, అంటే 4 కామన్ చేస్తే రిమైనింగ్ 2 ఉంటుంది, 2. సో 4u is equal 0, this implies u is equals to 0 by 4, 0 by 4 అంటే 0, 0, and u plus 2 is equals 0, this implies u is equals to minus 2, and alpha is equals 0 and beta is equals to minus 2. Therefore alpha is equals 0, beta is equals to minus 2. Take the sum of the roots. Sum is equals to alpha plus beta, alpha plus beta. What is alpha value? 0, 0 plus of minus 2 is equals 0 minus 2 ante minus 2. Alpha plus beta is equals to minus 2. Next check minus b by a. Minus b by a is equals to minus of, what is b value? B value 8, minus 8 by a value 4. So 4 ones are 4 twos are is equals to minus 2. Alpha plus beta is equals to minus 2, and minus b by a is also equals to minus 2. Now take the product. Product equals to alpha beta, alpha beta. So what is alpha value? 0, beta value minus 2. 0 into minus 2 is equals to 0, 0 into something is equals to 0. Now take c by a. C by a is equals to, what is c? C value 0, 0 by a value 4, so 0 by 4 is equals to 0. Therefore alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a, alpha beta is equals to c by a. Alpha plus beta, therefore alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a, రెండు వాల్యూ సేమ్ ని చూడండి, minus 2 minus 2. Alpha beta value 0, c by a value 0. Therefore alpha beta is equals to c by a. Hence verify the relation. Therefore hence verify the relation. Verify the relation. Verify the relation. This is fourth one. Now fifth one. What is given? T square minus 15. T square minus 15. Compare with standard formula ax square plus bx plus c. So at square plus bt plus c. So variable t ఉంది కదా. What is a? A అంటే t square coefficient. A is equals to 1. We don't have t term. T term లేదు ఇక్కడ. అంటే b is equals 0 తీసుకోవాలి. b is equals to 0 and c is equals constant minus 15. Constant is minus 15. Now then direct factorize చేయొచ్చు మనం. So we can write this as t square minus 15. Minus 15 ఎలా రాస్తాం చూడండి, అంటే minus root 15 whole square రాస్తున్నాం. t square minus 15 ని root 15 whole square. Square root cancel అయితే మళ్ళీ 15 వస్తుంది. So it is the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square. So what is the formula a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. అంటే t plus root 15 into t minus root 15. T minus root 15. A plus b into a minus b. It is in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. So t plus root 15 equals 0. This implies t is equals to minus root 15 and t minus root 15 equals 0. This implies t is equals to plus root 15. Plus root 15. This is the fourth one, right? So let alpha is equals to first value, alpha is equals to minus root 15 and beta is equals to plus root 15. Alpha is equals to minus root 15, beta is equals to plus root 15. Now take the sum of the roots. Sum is equals to alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta. What is alpha value? Minus root 15. Kada. Minus root 15 plus beta value plus root 15. Plus root 15 minus root 15 gets cancelled. Answer is 0. Alpha plus beta is equals to 0. Now we find minus b by a. Minus b by a is equals to minus of b value 0. 0 by a value 1. 0 by something is equals to 0. Therefore alpha plus beta is value 0 and minus b by a also equals to 0. Therefore both values are equal. And take the product. Product equals to alpha beta. Alpha beta, what is alpha? Minus root 15 into beta value root 15. Root 15 into root 15, root 15 whole square minus root 15 whole square. Square root cancel అవుతుంది అంటే ఏమొస్తుంది మనకి minus 15 వస్తుంది. Minus 15. So product alpha beta is equals to minus root 15 into root 15. Root 15 into root 15, root 15 square. Square root cancel, answer is minus 15. Next find c by a. C by a is equals to c value minus 15 by a value 1. Minus 15 by 1 is equals to minus 15. And both values are equal. Therefore, alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a, and alpha beta is equals to alpha beta value is minus 15, c by a value minus 15. Alpha beta is equals to c by a. Therefore, hence verify the relation. Hence verify the relation. Hence verify the relation. Verify the relation between zeros and coefficients. Now do last one, 6-1 as homework. Now second question. Find the quadratic polynomial in each case with the given numbers as the sum and product of its zeros respectively. Here given sum of zeros and product of zeros given, not the zeros. Sum of zeros given and product of zeros. Sum means alpha plus beta. Product means alpha beta. So see the first question. Solution of first question. What is given? 1 by 4 comma minus 1. Sum is 1 by 4 and product is minus 1. And alpha plus beta is equals to 1 by 4. Sum means alpha plus beta. Product means alpha beta. Alpha beta is equals to minus 1. Alpha plus beta is equals to 1 by 4 and alpha beta is equals to minus 1. In the question given sum. Sum means sum of the zeros, that is alpha plus beta. Here product of zeros alpha beta. So what is the required equation? K into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. This is the required polynomial equation. Substitute alpha plus beta value in this polynomial equation. So k into x square minus alpha plus beta is equals to 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into x plus alpha beta is equals to minus 1. So here we have denominator 4. So put k, k into x square, x into 1 x by 4 plus into minus 1. Here we have denominator 4. Therefore put k is equals to 4. Put k is equals to 4. K is equals to 4. Substitute here 4 into x square minus x by 4 minus 1. Multiply with 4. Total comes to multiply 4 to multiply it. 4 into x square 4x square minus 4 into x by 4 minus 4 ones are 4. 4 cancel, remaining 4x square minus x minus 4. This is the required quadratic polynomial. 4x square minus x minus 4. Now second question. Solution of second question. What is given? Given sum is root 2 1 by 3. Sum is equals to alpha plus beta is equals to root 2 and product equals to alpha beta. What is alpha beta? Alpha beta is equals to 1 by 3. Now write the required polynomial equation. K into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. So substitute in this formula. K into x square minus what is alpha plus beta? Root 2x plus alpha beta value 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. The denominator 3 kada. Put k is equals to 3. 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 This implies 3 into x square minus root 2x plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. 3 to multiply into 3x square minus 3 root 2x 3 into x plus 3 into 1 by 3. 3 into 1 by 3. 3 cancel. So 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1. This is the quadratic polynomial is 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1. This is the solution of second question.
Dear students, do remaining sums as homework.
Now third question. Find the quadratic polynomial for the zeros alpha comma beta given in each case. Here in this question, zeros are given. Zeros means alpha comma beta given. So first one is alpha, second one is beta. So alpha comma beta are given. We have to find the quadratic polynomial. So I will do second question. Do first one as homework. So second one, what is given? Roots are root 3 comma zeros are root 3 comma minus root 3. Root 3 comma minus root 3. Take first one as alpha, second one as beta. Let alpha is equals to root 3 and beta is equals to minus root 3. Alpha is equals to root 3, beta is equals to minus root 3. First find the sum of the zeros. Alpha plus beta find it. Alpha value root 3 plus minus root 3 is equals to plus root 3 minus root 3 gets cancelled. Answer will be equals to 0. Next find the product. Alpha beta. Find the value of alpha beta. First find sum of the zeros and product of zeros. What is alpha? Root 3 into root minus root 3 is equals to minus root 3 square. Root 3 into root 3, root 3 square, plus into minus, minus. So square root cancel. So alpha beta is minus root 3. We know alpha plus beta and alpha plus beta value is 0. Alpha beta value is minus root 3. So we can find the polynomial equation by using formula k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha of beta. By using this formula we can find the equation polynomial. So substitute alpha plus beta value and alpha beta value here. So k into what is x square minus alpha plus beta value 0. So 0 into x plus alpha beta value minus 3. So k into x square 0 into x 0 plus into minus minus 3. X square minus 3. Denominator 1 ఉంది కదా, put k is equals to 1. Put k is equals to 1. And ఏమొస్తుంది మనకి 1 into x square minus 3 is equals to x square minus 3. Therefore this is a required quadratic polynomial. Therefore required quadratic polynomial is x square minus 3. In the second question, sum and product given, right? Alpha plus beta is into alpha beta given. Now we have find the here given alpha beta. We have find alpha plus beta, then alpha beta, and we have substitute alpha plus beta and alpha beta value in this formula. Now third one, solution of third one. So what is given? Let alpha is equals to 1 by 4. Alpha is equals to 1 by 4. Beta is equals to minus 1. Alpha is equals to 1 by 4. Beta is equals to minus 1. First find sum of the zeros. Alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is equals to 1 by 4 plus minus 1. So denominator 1 kada. Take the LCM is 4. So 1 into minus plus into minus minus 1 4 the 4 by 4. 1 minus 4 by 4. 1 minus 4 3. So 1 minus 4 minus 3 by 4. Alpha plus beta is equals to minus 3 by 4. Alpha plus beta. Now find the product alpha beta. Alpha beta. What is alpha value? 1 by 4 into beta value minus 1 is equals plus into minus minus 1 1 is 1 by 4. Alpha beta is minus 1 by 4. So what is the formula? K into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equals to, so k into substitute values x square minus alpha plus beta value minus 3 by 4 into x plus alpha beta value minus 1 by 4. So k into x square minus into minus plus 3 by 4x plus into minus 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 1 by 4. So here denominator is 4. So put k is equals to 4. Put k is equals to 4. Cancel అయితే తీసుకోవాలి. denominator 4 ఉంటే k value 4 తీసుకోవాలి. 6 ఉంటే 6 తీసుకోవాలి. So ఏమొస్తుంది మనకి 4 into x square plus 3 by 4x minus 1 by 4. ఈ 4 తో టోటల్ మల్టిప్లై చేయండి. సో ఏమొస్తుంది 4 into x square 4x square plus 4 into 3 by 4x minus 4 into 1 by 4. Here 4 cancel, 4 cancel. So what is the required quadratic polynomial? 4x square plus 3x minus 1. This is a quadratic polynomial. Now fourth one. What are given? Alpha is equals to 1 by 2 given. Alpha is equals to 1 by 2. Beta is equals to 3 by 2. Beta is equals to 3 by 2. First find sum of the roots. Alpha plus beta value. 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 is equals to LCM denominator 4 kada, denominator 2. So 1 plus 3 is equals 4. 4 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Alpha plus beta is equals to 2. And find alpha beta. Alpha beta. Alpha beta is equals to, what is alpha value? 1 by 2, beta value 3 by 2. 1 by 2 into 3 by 2. 3 ones are 3. 2 twos are 4. 3 by 4. Alpha beta is 3 by 4. Now substitute in this formula. What is formula? K into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Substitute in this formula. So K into x square minus, what is alpha plus beta value? 2 minus 2x. Alpha beta value 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Denominator 4 kada, k equals 4 is square. Right rasna. So 4 into x square minus 2x plus 3 by 4. So 4 to multiply indi, 4x square vastundi. Next 4 2s are 8x plus 4 into 3 by 4. 4 into 3 by 4. 4 ones are 4 ones are. So what is remaining? 4x square minus 8x. 3 ones are 3. This is the required quadratic polynomial. Now last question in this exercise, that is fourth question. Verify that 1 minus 1 and 3 are the zeros of the cubic polynomial x power 3 minus 3x square minus x plus 3. We have to verify whether 1 minus 1 and 3 is zeros or not. Then check the relationship between zeros and coefficients. Now take this as polynomial, given polynomial. Let p of x is equals to, let p of x is equals to x power 3 minus 3x square minus x plus 3. X power 3 minus 3x square minus x plus 3. Now find p of 1. Given values are 1 minus 1 plus 3. First take first point p of 1. Substitute x equals to 1. 1 power 3 minus 3 into 1 square minus 1 plus 3. 1 power 3 is equals to 1 only. 1 minus 3, 1 square is equals to 1 only. Minus 1 plus 3. So 1 minus 3 minus 1 plus 3. So here minus 1 plus 1 cancel, plus 3 minus 3 cancel. So value is 0. P of 1 value is 0. Therefore 1 is a 0. Therefore 1 is a 0. If you substitute x equals to 1, value of polynomial becomes 0. Therefore 1 is a 0 of the polynomial. Next, substitute x equals to minus 1. Find p of minus 1. So minus 1 power 3 in the given polynomial, minus 3 into minus 1 square minus of minus 1 plus 3. So minus 1 power 3 is equals to minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus 1 only. Minus 3 into minus 1 square also equals to plus 1. Minus into minus plus 1 plus 3. Here minus 1 minus 3 plus 1 plus 3. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel, plus 3 minus 3 cancel. Therefore value of this also equals to minus 0. P of minus 1 also equals 0. Therefore minus 1 is a 0 of the polynomial. Next check whether x equals to 3 or 3 is a 0 or not. Find p of 3. P of 3, 3 power 3 minus 3 into 3 square in the given polynomial. Substitute here in the given polynomial, minus 3 plus 3. So 3 power 3, 27. 3 square 9. 9 3s are 27. Here plus 3 minus 3 cancel. 27 minus 27 is 0. So p of 3 also equals to 0. P of 1 is equal 0. P of minus 1 is equal 0. P of 3 is equals to 0. Therefore P of 1 is equals to 0. P of minus 1 is equal to 0. and p of 3 also equals to 0. Therefore 1 minus 1 and 3 are the zeros, are the zeros. 1 minus 1 and 3 are the zeros. Now we have to verify the relation between zeros and coefficients. So what is given polynomial x power 3 minus 3x square minus x plus 3. Compare this polynomial standard formula ax power 3 plus bx square plus cx plus d. So what is a value? So first write given polynomial p of x is equals to x power 3 minus 3x square minus x plus 3. So what is a is equals to 1 x power 3 coefficient, b is equals to minus 3, c is equals to x coefficient minus 1 and d is equals to 3. First find alpha plus beta plus gamma. We know the relation alpha plus beta plus gamma. In the previous class we find the relation between zeros and coefficients. Alpha plus, find the value of alpha plus beta plus gamma. What is alpha? Take this as first root as alpha. Let alpha is equals to first one 1, beta is equals to minus 1, gamma is equals to plus 3. Alpha is equals to 1, beta is equals to minus 1, gamma is equals to plus 3. What is alpha? 1 plus beta value minus 1 plus gamma value 3. So plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to 3. Next find minus b by a. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to minus b by a. Minus of, what is b value? B value here minus of minus 3 by a value 1 minus into minus plus 3. So alpha plus beta plus gamma value 3 minus b by a value also equals to 3. Next find alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Alpha value 1 into beta value minus 1 plus beta gamma minus 1 into 3 plus gamma alpha 3 into 1. So plus into minus minus 1 plus into minus minus 3 1s are 3. So 3 gets cancelled, minus 1. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equals to minus 1. Next find c by a here. C by a. What is c? C is equals to minus 1. A value 1. Minus 1 by 1 also equals to minus 1. Both values are equal. Now finally find the product alpha beta gamma. Alpha value 1, beta value minus 1, gamma value 3. So plus into minus minus 3 1s are 3 only. Alpha beta gamma is equals to minus 3. And find minus d by a. Minus d by a is equals to minus of, what is d value? 3 by a value 1. Minus 3 by 1 also equals to minus 3. These two values are equal. Therefore alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to minus b by a. Both values are equal. Minus b by a comma next alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equals to, what is this? This value also equals to minus 1. This also equals to minus 1. C by a. Next alpha beta gamma is equals to, these two values are equal. Minus 3 minus d by a. Hence verify the relation. Hence verify the relation between zeros and coefficients. Hence verify the relation between zeros and coefficients. Zeros and coefficients.